Learning new skill is becoming easier than ever before. Hello everyone, if you are seeing me for the first time, I am Emma Graphics, and in this channel you will learn everything related to graphic design because I run tutorial on it and other programs as well. Please subscribe by clicking on the red button below and turn on the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future uploads. I remember over 10 years ago I had just finished high school and I wanted to learn how to operate computer because my school didn't teach us the practical part. In fact, I had never seen a computer in my school, not even once. Everything was just on paper and in textbooks, and there was no consistent teacher for that subject. All we had, no offense, were youth corpers who will come in and then define what computer is, the types of computer, the importance of computer, and all. Yet we never really saw what a computer looked like physically. As a result, immediately after I finished my WAEC exams, I enrolled in a computer school even before the result came up. But here is the catch: it wasn't easy for me to learn computer skill back then because of the distance between the school and my house. I had to pay for transportation every day, and it got to the point where I had to rent an apartment, I think, just to study computer. Also, what I learned was just the basic, though practical, like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PageMaker, and the like. All the packages I mentioned, I barely open them on my computer today compared to the number of times I open that's my CorelDRAW package, and then also Photoshop. I open these packages often because of how I use them, right? So why am I saying all this? I'm saying this because YouTube and social media in general have made it easier than ever before for one to learn these skills without leaving their house or without any hassle, especially for those who open their platform for a purpose, not to come and watch junk and move on. In fact, on YouTube alone, there are so many skills you can learn right at the comfort of your home, even without leaving your couch. Unlike me back then, that I have to go to a particular place and pay for it, sit down and learn and all of that. Okay, so you can learn graphic design, you can learn fashion, you can learn digital marketing, cooking, programming languages, sewing, makeup skills, web development. In fact, you can even learn how to speak all these foreign languages, right? So on and so on. So I won't say much. It's an opportunity, so embrace it and make it count. For more content like this, kindly click the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.